Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Dark blue color, black color, orange color, light yellow color, brown color, red color, pink color and sky blue color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for frog. F for frog. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for star. S for star. T for tomato. T for tomato. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.